Alright, so I couldn't find any weights, so I decided to make some. And these weigh about 13 pounds. They're not exactly, I think one is like 13.2, the other one is like 12.4, but when you lift them, you can't really tell. So I'm gonna just show you how to make these. So the first thing I did was go to Home Depot and you get some buckets, and then you measure out like 2 inches down. So like from here, you want to measure from like 2 inches, and then I wanted to make 2 at a time, so you do 2 inches, then 2 inches down, like further down. And what you end up with is some pieces like these. I've already made those two, obviously. So you have these strips. So yeah, you cut this and then you mix the concrete, which I'll show you next. So I realized I should probably say how I cut it. I used a miter saw, but if you don't have a miter saw, you can just use a regular saw or like a handheld saw. I don't think, I mean, you can't do it with like scissors or anything, but like you could do it with like, even like a little saw like this. You know, it's a basic Home Depot saw or Lowe's or whatever. So here's the bag of concrete that I got. You can get like a different density. This is 5,000. I don't really know a ton about concrete, but this is what I got. So this is the consistency that I ended up with. It's probably a little bit too watery, but I'm out of cement, so this is what we got. But it should be okay. I might try to put some dirt in it, or just let it sit for a bit so it can soak up a little bit more. But yeah, that's it. But just so you can see it. Take a scoop. That's definitely too watery, but you live and you learn. All right, so next we got the mix. Then I have the molds that I made out of the bucket. So we just pour it in here. No, actually, we need to make the center parts. They go in the middle, so let's do that. All right, so I'm using the miter saw again, but if you don't have that, like I said, just to get like a little soft from this, you could do it, no problem. Alright, so the next part is just putting them in the mold, and for this I'm kind of guessing. You probably should measure it out and stuff, but I feel like I'm decent at eyeing it. So if you feel confident eyeing that's in the center, you know, you could do that, but it's cement, bro, you know, like you get what you get. So the next thing you could do is take this blade, and I'm gonna use that to like smooth it out. All right, so then you end up with this, and you let it dry. And then I guess when I spray paint it, that'll probably have to be tomorrow. You let it sit for like a day or so. Then I have, not spray paint, what's it called? Can't remember the name of it. Plastidip. And that's what you spray to make it black. And it kind of gives it like a rubber coating. So it's multi-purpose rubber coating. That's just to make it feel like softer and to try to make it feel like you're not just lifting up cement. I don't know. Some people make cakes, some people make weights, you know what I mean?